Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a webhook in Klaviyo. Webhooks are a powerful way to send real-time data from Klaviyo to other apps or systems. This allows you to automate actions, trigger workflows, and keep your marketing tools synchronized. Let's start by logging into your Klaviyo account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Flows section on the left-hand side. Choose an existing flow where you want the webhook to run, or create a new flow if needed. Inside your flow, click the plus icon to add a new action. From the options, select Webhook. This will open a panel where you can configure your webhook settings. Next, enter the request URL for the system you want to send data to. Usually, this will be an endpoint provided by the app you're integrating with. Then, choose the HTTP method, typically POST, which allows you to send data in real time. You can also customize your payload, adding specific fields from the subscriber data, such as email, name, or custom properties. This ensures the receiving system gets exactly the information it needs to perform the desired action. Once your webhook is configured, it's a good idea to test it. Klaviyo provides a preview feature that lets you send sample data to ensure the webhook is working correctly. Confirm that the data arrives as expected in your other system before turning it live. After testing successfully, save your webhook and activate your flow. Now, whenever the flow is triggered, Klaviyo will automatically send the data to your configured endpoint in real time. And that's it. You've successfully created a webhook in Klaviyo. Using webhooks helps you automate workflows, connect multiple tools seamlessly, and ensure your marketing data is always up to date. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, check out our other Klaviyo guides to learn more tips and tricks for optimizing your flows and automations.